Hi, I'm Tom from System Q, and this is the lockable wall mount 5 amp 12 volt DC power supply model POW400. It's a professional way to power 12 volt devices with 9 individual ports to connect multiple CCTV cameras. It's designed for easy wiring and it comes in this sturdy lockable case. So let's have a closer look. This is 10 reasons to make the POW400 your go-to wall mount power supply. 1. It's a quality product that's really well made in an attractive metal case. 2. It's designed for safety. The mains voltage connections are hidden away behind this cover so that they and you can stay safe. 3. It's 5 amp with a 12 volt output, so it's perfect for connecting up to 9 typical CCTV cameras. And if you want to power more than 9 cameras, just add another POW400 and share the load for a really bomb-proof system. 4. It's got a lockable lid with 2 keys to keep out unwelcome hands. 5. It has flexible output loading. 5 amps capacity can be spread over 9 outputs or through a single port just by swapping the fuse. 6. It's got built-in LED indicators which show you when a load is connected. 7. It's fast and easy to install with this plug-in kettle lead. 8. It has 9 ports, so it's really easy to connect loads of kit to it. 9. The wall-mounted design makes for really neat and professional-looking installations. 10. There's knockouts for easy cable entry. So, that's the POW400, a high-quality, wall-mount, 5 amp 12 volt DC power supply unit to give your CCTV installations a proper professional finish. And if you want to try one for yourself, you can find it at systemq.com. Cheers!